OnCommand Connection, Company Setup, Adding Vehicles. To fully utilize all that OnCommand Connection has to offer, you must add assets to your OnCommand Connection portal. This video focuses on adding vehicles to the portal. Once logged into the Advanced Remote Diagnostic Dashboard, find the Admin tab and then select Self-Service. At the top of the page, select the company. To the left, select the location you want to add assets to. Select the Vehicles tab and select Add Vehicles. If you only have a few vehicles, you can add them individually here. If you have a lot of vehicles, use the template provided to upload them all at once. For both options, you are asked to fill in a 17-digit VIN, unit number, and device tool ID for each vehicle. The device tool ID is also known as the serial number of the telematics device. If you add a vehicle manually, you can see it in the All Vehicles tab. If you added vehicles using the mass upload process, an email will be sent to the email address entered, confirming the upload is complete. At this time, the vehicles will be shown on the All Vehicles tab. The All Vehicles tab also allows you to edit information about the vehicle, delete a vehicle from a location selected, and allows you to move a vehicle between locations. This completes adding vehicles to the OnCommand Connection portal.